It's a rainy Sunday. We're gonna use the leftovers of our roasted chicken that we ate last week. We're gonna thinly cut, we're gonna cut it into stripes, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. Also, do not throw away the leftover bones because we're gonna use that to make the back to life broth. I know this doesn't look quite as appetizing, but I can guarantee that the product, it's something that's gonna taste not only amazing, but it's gonna nourish your bodies. Nothing like homemade food, right? While you guys are watching TV, mommy's cooking in her pajamas because it's a pajama day, rainy day. Doesn't get better than this. On a rainy day, you get to do what you love. For me, my biggest passion is cooking. And I've recently discovered that I've been doing that for since I have memory. And which is very interesting because we're always trying to find out what I'm good at life, what I'm gonna do, who I'm gonna be. And then the answers come. Just come. So don't give up. Well, pardon my pajama attire, but I am home. That sounded a lot like Daddy. Okay, we're still trying to figure out what pieces of chicken we're gonna use. It's not a very fun part. You can do it when the chicken is when you finish eating, and you can do it right away and separate. I was very lazy, so I just put everything away, and now it's a little bit harder because the chicken is cold. And it takes a little bit more loving. So we say thank you, chicken, and thank you for nourishing. The cool thing about roasting the whole chicken is then you get another full meal, like the coconut curry that we're about to make, and then also with the leftovers, you use it to make the back to life broth, which is insanely nourishing for the winter. So trying to get something that is yummy. Just gonna get in. Sometimes you gotta get dirty. You know what I mean? Mind you, this is not like a gourmet class. So if you're looking for a Michelin star dish, it tastes like one, absolutely. But I'm no Michelin cook. In a rice cooker, I have 1 cup of rice cooking, and I'm gonna mix that with the chicken. You can use the knife, but if you go with your fingers, you can tell where's the bone, where's the cartilage, what is actually edible, what is gonna be yummy, what's gonna be chewy. So I like going with the fingers. And this is very important for the recipe. I'm gonna use canned coconut milk, but because I like the coconut cream that's formed on top, and I like to let the chicken sit on that and a little bit of vegan mayo, which that's completely optional. And is the camera sliding again? Man, today is gonna be definitely a cooking day. Run powder. First, let's add some turmeric. I would say half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Curry powder, I would say a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. I have vegan mayo here, just a tablespoon. We're gonna scoop the coconut cream that's on top. Then afterwards, we'll add the rest of the liquid. If it's solidified, yes. So this part, it's solid. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I left it in the fridge a little bit too long, so I'm gonna have to break this. There we go. All right, we're gonna let this get to room temperature, and then we're gonna mix it and put it in at the end. And let's get cooking. You can use your hands. I'm gonna use my hands. I like working with my hands, so make sure that your hands are clean. And we're gonna massage our chicken. Oh, I forgot to put the salt. I'll add the salt in a little bit. Why I like using leftover chicken, because it won't be as dry as if you cook it on the skillet and then you add the coconut milk. I prefer this. Now also it's a great leftover upgrade to your leftovers. Okay, we're gonna let this guy sit for, honestly, for as long as you can. Obviously don't leave it in there for a week, my friends, because we're gonna be in trouble. I mean, your stomach is gonna be in trouble. Add a little bit of salt. Just half a teaspoon. And then we will be ready for phase 2 in about, I would say, 30 minutes. We're getting ready to put our chicken in, because everybody's getting hungry. A little bit of oil, just a little bit. Actually, well, let's finish this guy. Since it's winter, coconut milk is still hard. See, it's still solid. Saute this guy a little bit. Look at this. Somebody didn't clean it properly. By meaning somebody, I don't know. We don't blame here, but I suspect. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna throw them under the bus. I'm gonna warm up the chicken a little bit. Then we add in the coconut milk, and then we'll let it sit. Getting hungry yet? Hey, in case you missed my face. In case you missed my face, I'ma show it to you. Right, starting to warm up. Okay, we're gonna add our baby. Our coconut. Don't be shy, coconut. Come out, come out. I just see. Okay, there you go. When you're buying cans, let's see if I can get really close. Can you see here at the bottom? Can liner not derived from bisphenol A. Bisphenol A, it's toxic. And you can research all on Google why it's better not to use BPA cans or BPA plastic bottles or Tupperwares. Okay, ooh, look at this. So good. If you wanted to make it a little bit, if you want it thicker, you can add a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of flour, if you want. Gluten-free flour, almond flour, buckwheat. Whatever you do, don't add tapioca. Don't add arrowroot or cassava, because it's gonna get gooey and stretchy. And now, I'm just gonna bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna close the lid. Let's try. Oh, delish. It's starting, baby. It's starting, baby. It's starting, baby. Magic is here. Oh, baby, baby, come on, hit the scurry, baby. That's the mother you have, I'm sorry. And we're good to go. We turn it off. And now we let it sit until our rice is ready. Ta-da! The final product. This is gonna be our lunch.
Excuse me?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I am showing you the final product.